And now the 22 News Storm Team forecast.
Hey, good Tuesday morning. Time now is 4:48 on this St. Patrick's Day. We're taking a live look out in Westfield here, starting off fine. Notice the roads, though, quite wet. The worst of the rain and the wind is over with, but it's still going to be breezy out there starting off the day. Chicopee looking just about the same. We're holding on to the wind advisory this morning. National Weather Service has this up until 8 a.m., but I do expect that'll likely be dropped a little sooner. Again, the winds are coming down now as the worst of this is past us. Still sustained winds of 14 miles per hour there in Springfield and also Pittsfield. And there have been some wind gusts still out there over 20 miles per hour. Temperatures currently in the 30s and 40s. So we are seeing those temperatures fall. 38 now in Northampton, 41 in Springfield. Below freezing there in central and northern Berkshire County. You factor in a little bit of some wind and it feels like we're around or below freezing for a lot of us. Only 21 is the wind chill there in Pittsfield, 33 in downtown Springfield, 23 in Greenfield. So definitely this morning you're going to want to put on that winter jacket as temperatures will be in the 30s, wind chill values likely in the 20s with the breeze. Heading into this afternoon, still pretty chilly, below average for today, around 40 degrees. And then as we go into this evening, we'll see temperatures start to fall back around freezing. And I do think we'll be falling back towards the teens and 20s as we go through later tonight. So for today, again, that sun and cloud mix, a bit breezy, and that is the top of the 22 Storm Team forecast focus. We're going to stay in that cooling trend with colder than average temperatures, mostly in the 40s. Friday, there could be some temperatures in the low 50s, but I think overall much of the week looks a little cooler than average. And then going into the weekend, maybe the chance for a couple showers, especially on Saturday. I think Saturday, some showers. Right now, Sunday looks a little cloudy, but mostly dry for the parade. So hopefully it stays that way. But right now, I think Sunday looks okay. We're nice and dry, and taking a wider view on clouds of radar, you can see most of the precipitation off to our east. A couple snow showers off to our west with that colder air building in. And as we go throughout the rest of the day, we'll be nice and dry here on the 22 Storm Team Skycast. 7 a.m. towards 9 a.m., mostly sunny at times, a few passing clouds. Call it a partly sunny, sun and cloud mix during the afternoon. Either way, it's a pretty nice, bright day overall. And we do stay nice and quiet with a mostly clear sky as we go into tonight. So in terms of the wind out there, it is going to be a breezy day. Could still see some wind gusts that could be around or a little over 30 miles per hour in some spots as we go throughout the morning, even into the afternoon, staying breezy with that wind out of the west. And we'll see the wind continue to be a little bit breezy into the evening before it starts to settle down a bit going into the day on Wednesday. So for today, temperature in the upper 30s and low 40s, sun and cloud mix and breezy. I would dress for what could feel like the upper 20s, low 30s at times with the wind chill. It is going to be a cold day, especially when that wind picks up. Heading through tonight, we'll fall back into the teens and low 20s, so cold with a mostly clear sky for the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast here. Tomorrow is a chilly day, highs in the upper 30s. We're in the 40s for Thursday. As I mentioned, Friday, the first day of spring, could be in the low 50s, and then we'll fall right back into the 40s going into the weekend and into early next week. Want to check out our latest forecast? You could do so by getting the free 22 News mobile app.